Hello guys, welcome again. This is Raj and I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to explain one of my trade which I took in options. The stock is Reliance. The capital that I used is 2.8 lakhs and the profit is 5.2 lakhs. So the ROI is 186%. It's a crazy trade. Let me explain you the techniques behind it, where my entry was and the exit, everything in detail. So please make sure to like this video and comment if you have any doubts, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Hello guys, so I have Reliance chart in daily time frame. So before I explain you the technical aspects, I want you to be very clear that if you are a beginner, please do not trade in options, especially OTM calls, which I'm going to explain you in this trade. Just take the price action learnings from this technical analysis part and apply the same concepts in cash market. Okay, please stay away from FNO for the first 2 years. That would be my advice. If you listen to this advice, you will sustain the market. So I hope you get the point. Okay, so this is Reliance chart in daily time frame. So let me switch this into weekly time frame. You can see that there has been heavy buying in this trend line. So basically I made use of that opportunity. What happened was there was a consolidation around this trend line, and the next day after this there was a huge gap up, and then after 4 days, 3 or 4 days, the gap was filled, which was a good news. So generally what happens, if there is a huge gap, that gap will be filled and then the momentum will continue. So what happened, the gap was filled and I was ready to buy. So on 25th of August, I bought Reliance 2560 call. Okay, at that point Reliance was around 2400. So I was expecting that it would touch this area, 2560 area, and that is why I bought it. And fortunately the same happened in the next 4 days. So what happened, this was the day, I mean this is a red candle, right? This is when I bought my first set of calls around 31.10. okay, and the next day what happened, there was a small doji candle, insignificant candle. It doesn't have any information. So I just thought, okay, this is just consolidating. So I bought it, some more calls at 33.25. Probably I bought it around here, and the next day I bought it at the top or something like that. And again the next day what happened, there was a small bearishness, and again it closed. It is a doji candle. So what happened, the next day there was another doji candle, and I did not buy or anything. I just wanted to analyze and see what is going to happen, because at this point of time I invested already 2.86 lakhs in this calls. And the next day, let me switch this into 1 hour. So when I was in loss for the next 2 days, guys, because there were no momentum, and the calls were decaying a little bit, not much but a little bit. So let me show this in 1 hour maybe. So 25th, so this is where I bought. So there were some decay for the next 2 days. Only after 28th the momentum started to pick. Okay, on 29th and 28th is when the momentum started to pick. The moment I reached 200%, I wanted to exit, but this candle is when it reached 200%, and it was quite quick. Okay, so as far as exit is concerned, on 2nd of August, okay, so this is where I bought. This is the range where I bought, and for exit, as soon as it reached 200%, I did not want to hold anything more than that, because my target was 2560, and it also went past 2560, correct? So I was trying to punch the order around 200%, but it was quite quick, and I couldn't do that, and I exited at 186. I was hoping that there could be some consolidation, because there was a huge momentum in the last 3 days. And after every huge momentum, because 6-7% for Reliance is huge, guys. You have to understand that a market cap of that, how much, I don't know, I don't have it in top of my head, but I know it is like the huge, right? It has a huge market cap in and 6% or 7% move in 3 days is huge, and there will be some due correction after that. So that is why I entered and exited quickly in this trade. Although I knew that there, after consolidation, there will be a continuation in the momentum. Here I'm not taking a cash trade to, to hold forever. If it is a cash, the way I will trade is going to be different. In option, specifically for this trade, I do not want anything more than 186% or 200%. So there is a fine line between greed and being patient, correct? There will be an impact in your profit, correct? So that is why I exited here at 91, what was it, 91.45, which is somewhere around here. So yes, there were corrections, and I did not enter after the correction, because I am quite fully utilizing all my funds in other trades. And also people were asking me that if I am trading only in options. No, still majority of my allocation is in cash market. And see, if you look at this capital allocation, it is like 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs or 5 lakhs. The maximum I've allocated is 10 lakhs on in Nifty. So that's pretty much it. So again, just learn these concepts and apply it in cash market. This is what I wanted to tell you. So if you want to learn advanced price action techniques, please visit justfortraders.in and be a part of our community where we trade stocks like this. So recently we traded Gravitas. This chart was also posted on Telegram channel, and some even made money from that. So if you are not a part of the Telegram channel, I would request you to join it. Sometimes I share potential charts like this. What happened to Gravitas? It was a very beautiful triangle pattern. It came out of the triangle pattern and nicely consolidated. So this is when I posted. A lot of people made money in this, and look at this, the amount of the returns they have made. And also let me just show you what happened to Gravitas. Look at this. I don't know why the candle is vanished, or something is off. It has not gapped up today. I don't know. So yeah, I think one candle is missing. I don't know why this is like gapping up. Definitely it doesn't look like this. Let me check this on Zerodha. Yeah, this is that. And I posted it around here. I don't know what happened with TradingView. It is not very usual. Only today I posted something about TradingView. I praised them, and here we go. We have something bad. So never mind. I mean, it's like very rare when you see something like this on TradingView. Anyway, Gravitas. This is the amazing move. I hope you guys made, the Telegram users. I hope you traded. If you made money in Gravitas, please comment. And also, if you want to trade, take a lot of trades like this, please join my membership. You will trade and you will come across amazing setups like this. Recently we traded Chalet Hotel, also Chalet or Chalet, I don't know how to pronounce it. So look at this. I posted this, and this is the mini triangle pattern inside this pattern, and look at this move. Amazing, right? Some 7-8% into 3 days. So your job is to find setups like this. If you just go through and do your homework like for 2-3 hours, you can find setups like this for sure. Or if you do not have the time like 2-3 hours, you can consider joining it. And Let me know in the comment section if you want a potential stock on the YouTube channel. We already traded Gravitas. There are a lot more potential stock as well. Let's see. You just let me know in the comment section. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.